but I did Marie Kondo'd my suitcase, and that was really awesome. It's a great thing.
And if you can Marie Kondo or roll in these, it like is an extra layer of
it really, really awesome. The double of the two. It's great. But hello there, Culture Eater. How are you doing today? Well, we are doing absolutely fabulous. I am here in Mexico with my friend Natasha, also a YouTuber, so check her out. And yeah, we're in Mexico City. Right now we are in Bacalar, which is basically paradise. Basically paradise.
It is really.
It's amazing. But we thought, since we're here together, it'd be fun to do a couple of collaboration projects. And today we have a video for you of our top travel essentials when we are packing. So I will give you the voice for number one.
Sure. So actually number one, you're going to have to see in an overlay because it is my Manfrotto travel tripod. It's a travel lightweight tripod. I purchased it in Japan for about, I think it was around $80 US, and this was a few years ago, so you might even be able to get it cheaper than now. It is by far the best thing I've ever purchased as a solo traveler because I do like to get shots of myself, and unfortunately that means I need to carry a tripod with me to be able to do that. It's extremely lightweight, as it says in the name, and it folds up really small, and I'm able to tack it onto the outside of my backpack or even pack it inside the backpack, and it came with its own little carrying case as well. It just has been a really great tripod.
It's a really good thing to have when you're traveling solo. Thankfully, right now we have two people, so it's been really helpful. Guys, this is nuts. It's crazy. It's just so many boats, so much loud music. My top essential is a crystal deodorant. I don't know if you're gonna focus. Don't focus on me. Focus on the travel deodorant. Okay, well, whatever. It won't. But it's like, I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's a crystal, and what you do is you just pass it underwater, and then you put it on like regular deodorant. I've had this for about 10-15 years, and I haven't gone through about a quarter of it. So basically, it's going to last me a lifetime, and it's a lot smaller to carry than a regular deodorant bottle.
Does it last all day?
Yeah, I don't have a lot of sweating issues in the first place, but yeah, it lasts all day.
Wow.
It's really awesome.
I've never heard of that. That's fantastic.
Of a sweet dessert. Cheers, let's give it a try.
So I'm going to talk about my packing cubes next. So I can't say enough about packing cubes. This is an extra large size one. I use it for my pants and leggings, and I usually bring 2 large size ones and 1 small one in my backpack, and that usually lasts me about a month's worth of clothes with having to do laundry as well. But the reason why I like this one in particular, this is an Eagle Creek one, although I've seen similar brands with the same thing, is that it has the inside and then there's a mesh separator. And then on the opposite side, you can also put clothes, so that means you can leave one side for dirty and one side for clean, which I really like.
That is really great.
Yeah.
That's super practical.
It's a plastic divider too on the inside, so the smell doesn't go through. I really enjoy these. Yes, packing cubes do take up more space in your luggage, but what you lose in space, you gain in organization. It's so much easier to have shirts, pants, and I have tank tops and underwear in a separate one, and that way when I go to a hostel especially, I can lay out all 3, pick 1, 2, 3 each day, and then pack them away really easily.
That's really good. I got some, but because we had really strict weight limitations with the flights we were taking, I didn't bring my packing cubes that I just got at Christmas, but I did Marie Kondo'd my suitcase, and that was really awesome. It's a great thing.
And if you can Marie Kondo or roll in these, it like is an extra layer of
it really, really awesome. The double of the two. It's great. But speaking of laundry, that's my other tip. I always bring some powdered laundry detergent with me. It's always good to have. You might just get a spot somewhere, or you don't, if you're going for a long trip and you don't want to bring 20 pairs of underwear, it's good to do a little cleaning along the way. So this is my new little tip though. What I did is you take a straw and with a lighter you melt and just stick the two pieces together. And then you fill a little bit of detergent in there, enough to do one little hand wash. And then you burn the other end. So it's really small to carry.
It's genius.
I made 4 of these. So
I'm totally going to do that.
Yeah, it's awesome. So it takes very little room. I prepared 4 of them. You just take a little scissor and cut it, and you have your laundry detergent on the road.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Evelyn and Natasha, like she just said, this is our wet rat look. So we just had our first swim here in Bacalar. And
What's your next one?
My last item is my No, I did the travel tripod.
Oh, sorry. Because the clip is here.
My last one is my travel towel. These things are amazing. I 100% recommend them. If you're buying in the United States, they are kind of expensive. I think they're a little overpriced in the United States, but oh man, they're so useful. They absorb a ton of liquid. Yeah. They dry really fast. This one has a nice little clip so you can hang it anywhere, which I really like. No, it's not.
No, I just have like a smaller. It's not for the beach, but this is like just for sweat. But yeah, they are awesome.
This one's pack towel, and I have this size, which is for my hair and my face, and then I have a large size, which is for my body. I also use them as a curtain when I stay in hostels. I'll hang them on especially if I'm on the bottom bunk, I'll hang them on the lower bar, and it blocks people from being able to see me while I'm sleeping.
That's a great tip.
Yeah, it blocks out the light as well.
That's a great tip.
Yeah, and if you happen to be traveling through Korea, these are actually made in Korea, and they're extremely cheap to buy in Korea. Like this one, this tiny little towel, I think it was like $30 in the United States.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and then I went at a travel store, but I'm sure you can find it maybe cheaper on Amazon, but anyways, the larger, I got an extra large, huge one in Korea at like a standard grocery mart, like a Walmart for us, but for them, and it was $10.
Oh wow, that's really good.
Versus this one. So I use that one as well. They're just really, really useful.
Yeah, they're amazing. Yeah, so we just got off our Uber and landed right in the middle of the witchcraft area. So sorry if I'm making weird noises. I'm fighting a sore throat and asthma since home. So my last tip, kind of a boring one, but it is my essential one: plastic bags. I always bring one regular grocery plastic bag to put in my dirty underwear. I don't have a fancy cube like her for that, but this is
I do that too.
I do that too. So one plastic bag for laundry, and I usually bring a couple of like Ziploc ones that are good to put wet items in. So like let's say you're traveling and your bathing suit isn't dry, you can put it in here. So I always have at least 2 of each kind with me. They're super practical to have.
Yeah, definitely.
So we hope that these tips are really going to help you the next time you travel and you pack. It's always awesome to get tips from other people because there's so many out there, and it makes life so much easier when you can pack a little more properly and a condensed space as well. So thank you so much, Natasha. You check out her channel, Artist Explores the World. You'll see you'll see most of the travel videos. You're going to see each other in them, and we'll do a couple of more collabs. Yep. And do you want to talk a little bit about your channel?
Oh, sure. I basically do art and travel videos, more so on the art side, but I'm trying to get more travel videos out there. And my travel videos specifically focus on solo female travel.
And she does great art as well, so you should totally check her out. Do you have a Facebook page with your products as well?
Yes, my Facebook page, it's all under Artist
Or Etsy shop. She also has an Etsy shop.
So which is Artist Explores, not Artist Explores the World.
Artist Explores her Etsy shop. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff.
Thank you.
So make sure to like this video and to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss any new videos to come. And remember to always eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Mwah. Bye. I'm at 8:55.
We were close.
Yeah.
We're on point. There we go. Okay. I was like, man.
Blooper reel.
Challenging.
Blooper reel. All right.